Hey everybody, welcome back. Lately, we've been getting asked the question, why is the replacement cost on my homeowner's policy different than the market value of my home? And simple answer is most insurance companies are using your replacement cost value, which is the cost to rebuild your home in the event of a total loss at the current price to build for building materials. So that's why it's going to be a little different than your market value, because as we know right now, the market is really crazy. Homes are selling within hours. So market value takes into consideration the location as well as your land value. The insurance companies aren't taking that into consideration. They just want to insure your building so that way if you did have a loss, it would be rebuilt back to its prior condition. So just make sure you have that conversation with your insurance agent, letting them know if you've done any upgrades or additions to your home so that way your replacement cost is as accurate as possible. If you have any questions on your current policy or you're looking to get some new quotes, give our agency a call, drop your comments or questions below, and as always, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel.